If you're facing a device not compatible issue on your Android, here's the fix. Open Chrome and search RDR APK. Then open the site, scroll down, and tap the download button. Once the RDR APK is downloaded, install Zarchiver from the Play Store to help with the installation process. I'm installing Zarchiver from Google Chrome. You can do the same. After both files are downloaded, install Zarchiver first and allow all necessary permissions. Then open Zarchiver, tap on the RDRX APK file, select View, tap on the first APK inside, and install it. Your app should now install successfully. If this method doesn't work, make sure your device meets the required processor and GPU specifications for RDR Mobile. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.